Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a true icon, the Hot Wheels BMW 2002 HYX21, part of the HW70s vs 90s series, collector number 77 out of 250 for 2025. Released in Case P, this diecast is in 1/64 scale, beautifully capturing the proportions of this legendary compact sports car. The BMW 2002 isn't just a car, it's a milestone in motoring history. Born in the late 1960s, the 2002 was the model that cemented BMW's reputation as a maker of sporty, driver-focused sedans. It combined compact dimensions with powerful engines, becoming a cult classic around the world. Let's look at some real-world specs. The BMW 2002 featured a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 100 horsepower, 74 kilowatts. It measured just 4.23 meters in length, reached a top speed of about 185 km/h, and could accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in about 10.5 seconds. Not bad for its era. What made it special was its balance. Light, agile, with a perfect mix of practicality and driving pleasure. The 2002 also paved the way for the BMW 3 Series, which continues to dominate the compact sports sedan segment today. A true pioneer in every sense. Back to the diecast, this Hot Wheels edition pays homage to the 2002's timeless lines. The details on the front grille, headlights, and boxy silhouette are perfectly recreated at 1/64 scale. It's a must-have for collectors who love vintage European icons. And that's our unboxing of the Hot Wheels BMW 2002 HYX21. Stay tuned for more daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and of course, dioramas. Thanks for watching The Growing Cars Show.